back on the screen. I think this video deserves, like, yo, give me the 500 likes. Like, it's times like, I mean, can I get that like goal? Please watch this full video. Like, so many people think that, oh, I'll be clickbaiting. Yo, he just clickbaiting and stuff. And I'll be trying to tell people I'm that guy. Let's watch this real quick, and then we're going to watch a little video that I made. Okay? Let's watch.
Park gameplay is coming to my team, and it is set in the perfect location. We're up in the rooftop in NBA 2K16's Rivet City My Park Championship Park. We got all of the amazing parts of this court. We're up in the sky. The rooftop court's back. We have the glass walkways. And most importantly to me, the chain nets are back. So for the first time, you're finally playing with NBA players in a park setting. In Triple Threat Park, we have two main game modes. One, team control, just like Triple Threat Online. You control all three players of your team, and you're competing against one other player. We also have co-op. This is the traditional park experience, 6 NBA players. You're controlling your one player, and you're just trying to get that win.
How do you get to Triple Threat Park?
Well, there's two ways. You can either go through the city and walk right up to our building entrance, or it's accessible right from my team's menus. Park gameplay is
Rivet City, Sky City returns. Their Sky City returns. Let's watch this now. Watch this full video. I got it all in order. Like, watch this. This video was made a month ago. Look at that. A more compact and interactive city. They have to scratch the Wildcats and all that. Sunset, Old Town, and Rivet is coming back. 3 affiliations, break the boost up. What makes me think this? Why would this, how's this not them bringing it back on a business aspect? They already brought back the boost. That was an old thing from 2K they took away. They already brought back affiliation, something that we wanted. The stuff that we've been kept saying and we still saying that we wanted was the park setting. Rivet, Suntown, we've been talking about how the stage looks the same. We've been talking Rivet, Sunset, Old Town. Everybody that has been saying that. We're obviously 100% getting a new stage. This is why I say 25 is going to be a little better, and people are going to, it's some type of science they're doing. I mean, I'm on a different level speaking on it. I'm not speaking on it on the regular level everybody's complaining on it about. It's some type of science they're doing there. They're going to have us stimulated, because I know that it's like, damn, we've been getting the short end of the stick, and all they have to do is just give us a few things and we will be happy. Then it starts to feel like a little control. Listen, this whole video, I'm talking about how they can bring back Rivet City, Old Town, Sunset. Everybody's tired of the elite, the Wildcats. That one time they gave us that, the Rise, like. And I feel like Heat Check is not balanced, and the defense, I feel like those were just like demo things. You know what I mean? We haven't even heard Heat Checker back. It's all new takeovers. You see what I'm saying? We haven't even heard nothing about no Heat Check affiliation or nothing. And that could still, they can still play that out, because we haven't heard nothing about affiliations yet. You know what I mean? But they could do the affiliations different and just have boost, rather than have it where it's like a Heat Check thing. You see, like when they and you see they're remastering it, they're giving you the sky rise roof. But when we look at this, right, this is not the sky rise. Well, no, this could be the sky rise roof, but this is not an NBA player within the my team setting. This is the park. This is the first look at the how your my player would look in the park area, right? And if they're doing Rivet there, it's just hot outside. It's like I was saying 75% chance. It's an 85% chance now that they do it in the city. They said the city returns is more compact, but now they do Rivet City, Old Town. Like it's come on. And if they do the sceneries right, like if they do it like the same thing, like they remaster it, but they make it look like they're already remastering it. They showed us Rivet's the Skyrise, that for my team park. Why make it something totally different for, you know, the regular part. I just see it matching up together. Here's a first look, people, right here of a screenshot. A 96 overall. This is how it will be looking right here. Okay, this is one of the little emblems. Kings of the Court. Somebody said when you look back, I didn't repeat what he said, but he said if you notice you see a new stage icon. He said something like that. And you see an entrance from it possibly looking like Old Town. And what's he talking about here? I'm not sure what they was talking about, but I could already see it being played out. The city is back, and they've never had a city with that in it, so it would be new. They never had a city with Old Town, Rivet, Sunset. It would be new. That's what people want, the environment. They do this, 2K is going to be back up on a flow where it's like, I'm not going to say people are not going to complain about the gameplay, but they're following in the right steps of, and that's why I was saying in the video, I feel like it's a science. It's their world. It's like Six Flags. Six Flags can make a new ride, right? And people could experience that ride. They test how much people enjoy it, how many people get on it. They count the counting, you know, they have all that stuff like that. So it's like 2K could do it. Okay, let's see how much traction we got this way once we start doing things this way or that way. You know what I mean? So once they get to that point, like, okay, the traction for this game was that, and they test things on us and they see we're still gonna buy the game. We always say this to ourselves, we always gonna buy the game, or we're gonna buy the game. Or even if you don't buy the game right when it launches, if you see, okay, this one's looking a little better to you, you can have a change of heart, and then you ended up buying the game. You know, that's always happening in different worlds. Some people are just getting off the game, they don't want the game. Cool. But always know that they're still gonna keep their structure. Even if things start getting bad, they're gonna start reverting, remastering. They already did it by doing this. Remastering, that's the high-rise court. Come on, people. I know when we see the all-new city, Rivet, Sunset, like, I can see it. I can see it. They giving it to the my team for you to go in and play in. They gonna have to give us some remastered city with the Rivet, Sunset, Old Town. If not, it's gonna be something damn near close to it. You see what I'm saying? I guarantee it's gonna be something damn near close to it. They bringing back chain nets. Come on. So when you go to another park affiliation, or come on, it's clear as day. It's clear as day. It has to be on the money. All right. Let's see what the people are saying about this.
Coming to my team.
I see everybody saying W. All of my timeline, all I'm seeing is people saying W's about this. Seeing the Rivet City come back and return. Then auction team returns. I mean, what is it called? Not, I said auction team. Auction house. Now, a lot of people were even hype about this. Like, oh, bring this back. We need this. We need this back in the game. If they are bringing stuff back like this, we seen them have Neon. Like, I'll give y'all it on a deeper level. We seen Neon. Neon, I guess, is there. He's back in town for the community day. We know a lot of other bigger creators will be there as well. Trust me. LSK was already there. They could have gave him the scoop. Like, I'll be telling y'all, it's like little things like companies know Rivet, Old Town, Sunset's returning. Say that one thing to him while they like chilling around in some lobby. What? Really? But don't say nothing. Don't say nothing. Come on. Why they back? When they was playing 2K heavy, those guys, that's when 2K was, that's when we was playing the Rivet, Sunset, Old Town. When they was playing heavy, Neon was acting like Ronnie's son and stuff, raging. We seen it right here. All the devs are saying, welcome back Old Town and stuff like that. Welcome back Rivet. They're showing it for my team first. They're not saying if it's for Park or not. It could be something new. They could change the names, but make it look similar. But I somewhat feel like they're going to give us some type of remaster because it's with the city. It's new. You know what I mean? And then they're going to try to probably do like a, we've been listening to what the community has been saying, you know, getting the feedback, and boom. You see what I'm saying? Automatically, y'all, we getting a new stage. That's something people gonna be all hyped about once it comes out too, because we've been needed a new stage. They gave us it 2 times in a row. Come on now, you don't do that, 2K. That's crazy. That's crazy. Make sure y'all subscribe, drop a like, man. We giving y'all all the gems here. I have more build video gems coming to y'all. Like, I just, since they're reverting back to so much stuff, I could see even with the builds with the players, it's gonna revert back. Like, trust me, it's like Hall of Fame will be good, but Legend is going to have that stump over. We all know when we start first playing off and playing and things is nobody has the hang, there's not a meta form yet, and a meta is always going to be formed. There's always going to be a group player where they start using the same move as that player or that player. It's always going to happen, right? The Legend badges, I already know it. It's going to be, that's what people going to be going for, especially stacking attributes in certain areas, and it's going to take longer times for players to make their builds to get them to those areas with the attribute caps added as well. So people are going to be more cautious too on making their builds, along with the balances, the takeovers and everything. All that stuff balances you, all of it. People can't see it yet, but I can see it clearly. Like I could see it. Like, damn, it's such a balance. Because if I got to use what was one of the takeovers? Let's go to it real quick. Look, if I have to use like Glass Gunner, let's say that, you know, it boosts 3-pointer, defensive rebound, and offensive rebound. So it's like that's your takeover. That's the 3 areas it's boosting. It's no longer boosting all your stats, which made you kind of like be able to do everything when it came down to it. But that's not what this type of takeover system is going to do this year. This is what I mean by it's going to balance players out. Because you're going to need somebody to, for specific roles, turning on something, having the higher stats in that area to be able to hold something down. For instance, go to the commander, boost interior defense, block, and defense, right? Rebound, control, paint defensively. It will be tough. It would be a tough bucket for anyone trying to slash, right? So this is basically, you just got the rim protector badge on, and it boosts those certain things. It's no longer like, oh, you got commander on and your 3-pointer is getting boosted too. You know what I mean? Like, no. That's what's going to make it more fair. As long as they don't do no patch, they let the mathematics system up, make all your stats go up, we're good to go. As long as they keep it like this, it's a different system. I can already see it. People going to be prioritizing. So with prioritizing comes prioritizing certain badges. I see it with the Legend thing already. Okay? So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the first look, okay? First look of NBA 2K25. They brought back Rivet. That's just a good sign for me, man. Things is cooking up right now. The consistency is just flowing for me. They bringing back everything that needs to be brought back just on a visual aspect. Because I look at things deeper. I look at things like energy waves. Like them doing... like bringing back Rivet and having the city, Rivet, Sunset, Old Town, that's like an energy wave, because it's like you opening up into people's memories and people's past, and you kind of putting the touchback on that and making people kind of relive certain things, and you know what I mean? So it's like, that's how I look at what they doing right now, and it's going good so far, especially with the new dribble engine. That just means 2K's dribbling is going to look entirely different, even if we see familiar moves, because of the new dribble engine. That's just the whole point of it, where you just don't care about, okay, oh, I've seen a familiar move. Realize that regardless, when you see it being played out, people going at each other and seeing the gameplay be played out, it's going to look completely different because it's a new dribble engine. You're going to see more things that people wasn't able to do in past 2Ks. That's all we need to know. At least there'll be something new there. You know, as long as they make it look pretty and it's not ugly looking, cool. Sheesh, fine. Now, and it says Allen Iverson. Maybe that's just the thing they threw on there, but this is definitely, I think, the high-rise court. Because when you look at the other one, let's see. When you look at the other, yeah, is it on this side? Yeah, I think it's on this side. Where, no, hold up. Hold on. Let's look at something.
Park gameplay is coming to my team, and it
Park gameplay is coming to my team.
rooftop in.
Hold on. Oh my god. Wait. Let me see. That's the little entrance.
Rivet City, My Park Championship Park. We got all of the. So for the setting, game control have co.
Never mind.
Ways.
I think it's coming back for sure. 100%. Look at this. I think it's coming back for sure. 100%. Look at this. When you look at the little thing, it looks like it's more steps and stuff here, and on the other side it didn't look like it had that. It has like the same thing where you go underneath, but it has something up here too behind it. I didn't see that on there. Either way, I just feel like they for sure bringing it back. 85%. The rest of the percent is that they bring something that looks very familiar to it back and have it in 3 maybe. That's the only other way. It's no way they give us some stuff like Elite Rise again and we're like, what the heck? Like, yo, there's no way they could do that to us. I feel like 2K, everybody would just be able to joke on Twitter and go crazy, and I feel like the devs know that. Alright, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Make sure y'all hit that like. I got more coming today. Alright, make sure y'all turn on them noties. I'll see y'all.